Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a Western Digital Easy Store 4 terabyte desktop hard drive. I've been looking all over YouTube and for a desktop unboxing or revealing, but I haven't found one. So the only one I've seen was the portable Western Digital hard drive. So I'm going to be sharing that with you guys today, the desktop version. Opening the box. When you first open the box, they have some type of instructions. Seems to be packaged real good. Neat. Set that to the side. So what comes in the box? Comes with a cable, the data cable, and the power cord. And on to the good part. The hard drive itself. It comes in this little plastic. Sturdy, pretty sturdy plastic. And here's the hard drive. Pretty neat. It's not big, not too big, not too bulky. And it has this plastic around, protective plastic. Have a nice finish on it too. And this is what's on the back of it. Where your power cord go and your data cable. Some sort of little lock that I guess you can lock for any access or whatever goes in the back, whatever. But yeah. And it said it's compatibility with Windows 10, 8.1, or 7. Require reformatting for Mac OS. So it's pretty good. You can use it with a Mac or Windows computer. So yeah, this is the Western Digital 4 terabyte Western Digital backup hard drive. Thanks everybody. If you like the video, like it, subscribe please. Have a nice day. And yes, this is the manual, the instruction manual. It's got different languages. Pretty lengthy, but I don't guess they don't want to be needing this for a hard drive. So, all right.